Okay, so I'm not really pissed at the trollers. I'm pissed at more of YouTube. YouTube, what the fuck? You have these services for people to use and stuff, and then you move that service to Google Live. But you have a way to ban users. Not when they come in and just blah 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 and then go away. And then blah 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 go away. Blah 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 go away. And then y'all even further, when you shut down the freaking stream, it doesn't shut down the stream. It goes forever. It goes, as long as people are in the chat, it'll go the full 15 minutes. So this guy can play porn on my channel, whatever the hell he wants to do. And you won't even shut down Google Hangouts, which was stupid. Because I pressed the power button on my computer. I was like, okay, fuck this. And y'all didn't even, like, what the hell? I'm more pissed at YouTube than anything. Because on Twitch, you fuck around on Twitch, bam, banned. Banned, IP ban. You cannot come back to that fucking channel ever again. Like, what is this shit? You know, I'm used to Twitch and shit. Honestly. Y'all got a competitor. Seriously. So, that's what happened last night. If you guys are just getting upgraded or whatever, had a guy playing porn and, you know, I'm not going to describe it. But, yeah. Just, what the hell? You're kind of useless at that point because you have no moderator status. You can moderate people in chat. You can moderate people with Nightbot. You cannot moderate people all you want to in chat. But once they come into your fucking channel, you can't control what they're saying or whatever. You can mute them and whatnot if they're polite enough to stay in the channel. But when you have bots, I mean, not bots, but little kids coming in going blah, 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 click, blah, 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 click, blah, 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 click. Yeah, John knows what I'm talking about because he was in the stream when it happened. So, when I left the stream, I didn't realize that Google keeps your stream live for 15 freaking minutes. I'm sitting in bed watching the freaking stream, still going. I'm like, on my phone. I'm like, what in the shit? The computer's off. But this, no, anybody in chat or in the group can just sit there for 15 minutes or so and just blah, 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 play porn, you know, and stuff like that. So, that's cool. Good job. Trolled. Thumbs up for you. Peppy the Frog will probably hop around the fucking little screen here in a second. So, that's kind of what happened. Last night, just got kind of pissed off. Turned off my computer. I shut all the windows down, and then I went click, click, shut off, and then I was like, fuck this, you know. So, Google Hangouts is the biggest piece of shit. That is a one-way window because I've only used it twice. In my entire fucking life, I've only used it twice. I will never use it again. It is the windows. It is a window straight into the hacker's house, dude. Hackers, trolls, all sorts of people. The first time I used it, got hacked, got booted from my own freaking stream. Well, I got booted from the Hangouts, not the stream. And then I got trolled by some 12-year-olds, you know. Whatever, man. My maturity level is like, I feel like a grandpa now. I'm like, what the fuck's going on? Because I used to do this shit back in the day with Google and Yahoo Messenger and stuff. You know, you could bomb the hell out of the chat with emotes and it would shut down the chat and stuff. And it would be called the chat bomber hack and stuff and all sorts of dumb shit. You know. It's not really hacking. You're just downloading somebody else's program that was a hacker that did it. But it's just no. So here's the results of this. Is YouTube did see that. Even though I deleted all the videos and stuff, I deleted all my live stream videos, and they banned me from live streaming for about usually when YouTube does that, it's one strike. It'll go back up in 3 weeks if I'm being a good boy. How can I be a bad boy if you ban me from doing live streams? So can't get another strike, can I? So that's cool. So, and the usernames, I don't think it really matters because I think they're fake. I know one is Nigmode, Nigmode, and Tamara Williams. And if you like, oh, that's a real name. No, it's Tamara Williams is a Disney character on Disney, as far as I know. I mean, I remember Tia and Tamara. They were Tamara Williams. Like, yeah, no, not buying that. I don't think Tamara Williams has that much time to sit there and troll me, the poor little maintenance guy. So, pretty sure it's fake, you know. So, did it piss me off? Yeah, because you guys come in here, we legitimately talk about things, we shoot the shit. That was the name of the title of the live stream, and like somebody comes in here and fucking runs it for us. So sorry about that, guys. You know, if I'm kind of still mad at YouTube because I have no control over this shit. At Twitch, I can do any damn thing I want to. I can ban you permanently from your IP address. Like, you know, it's just kind of stupid. Like, really stupid, guys. I'm trying to do something with my life, but you still living under your mom's arms and jerking off in your little SpongeBob fucking covers and shit. You know, that's fine. Do what you want to do. I guess that's where the term sticky keys came from. I don't know. Guys, that's what happened. I got booted. Well, I shut down a stream, but apparently YouTube wants to keep it live for 15 fucking minutes after I turn off my own computer, and this guy could just play porn on his shared screen on my my stream. So that's what happened. So don't let that happen to you. If any of y'all have any tips or comments on how to stop that shit, that'd be great. What I'm thinking about is only private links only. If I know you, I'll send you a link. If I don't, nope. Nope. No. I might do it again sometime. But, not for now. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing on my YouTube channel. And y'all have a great day. And stay safe. And don't let this shit kind of shit happen to you. This was the second time I ever used Google Hangouts. And then I realized the simplicity of it and stuff. And I was like, you don't have any control over shit of what people can do. Like, I could have gone into anybody's Hangout and done the same thing. It's like, you have to think outside the box for what these people were doing. So, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Give me a month or so. We'll start the live streams back up. And we'll see you on the next one.